Blizzard Diary #1.
Never seen anything like this before.
We got it in about 5:15. Nuggets just got AI last night, and we're gonna get 20 inches of snow and all die, according to the weatherman. I got up about 3:45. Hadn't started snowing yet, so I headed down here. You can't see nothing. It's dark at the stadium. We got pretty good snow and wind blowing. Blizzard warning in Denver. Supposed to snow all day, all tonight into tomorrow, Thursday. Game against the Bengals, Christmas Eve, Sunday, with huge playoff implications.
Going to the store, man.
Drew and Abe are going to the store to get supplies. They got me a Simpsons DVD set for tonight. We're doing a Simpsons marathon and plowing the turf. Think we're gonna die?
I'm already dead.
Not yet, man. I gotta hang on until Friday. Allen Iverson, Carmelo Anthony.